Samsung's Galaxy S7 and Galaxy S7 Edge have arrived, and they lead the pack of Android phones in 2016. Neither of them reinvent the wheel from a design perspective, but plenty of notable changes help elevate them above previous Galaxy phones. There's plenty to know if you're considering migrating from an iPhone or another Android. If you're feeling curvy, check our full review of This review will focus on the standard, flat-screened Galaxy S7. It may look the same as last year, but this new Galaxy packs a few new surprises, joyful moments, and disappointments under its glossy exterior. If you're at all familiar with the Samsung's 2015 Galaxy devices, you know precisely what to expect from the Galaxy S7. This year, it's all about refinement. The GS7 sports the same smooth, brushed metal bumper sandwiched between front and back glass. It's gorgeous. This improved design extends to the camera on the back, which still protrudes, but only about half as much as last year's model. With a 5.1-inch flat AMOLED screen that is the envy of every other phone, and a gentle curve to its back, the S7 is very comfortable to hold in your palm. It's almost identically sized to last year's Galaxy S6, and the Galaxy S5, for that matter. Overall, it's a comfortable smaller phone that most people should be able to hold, unless you prefer very extra tiny phones like the old iPhone 5S. But glass is still glass, and the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge are covered in the stuff, potentially making them the most fragile phones available this year. Because that Gorilla Glass is to support proprietary and curved on the back, it may also cost hundreds of dollars to replace broken or cracked screens. Should the slippery phone fall from your grasp, don't buy a Galaxy S7 without a case. The other major caveat to the glass design this year is how easy it is to cover in fingerprints. A week of use left our S7 so caked in fingerprints that it feels downright grimy to hold. Another reason to get a case. If this sort of thing bothers you, consider a competing phone, or buying a nice case. Seriously, you'll want a case. We can't stress that enough. We can't complain for too long, though. Unlike many competitors, Samsung has water and dust-proofed the Galaxy S7. It has an IP68 rating. Quote,